tape for my reference, more so than anything. Let's see if we get any flow out of this thing. Could be a bad transformer, could be a dirty nozzle. What do you got for baseboard? You got radiators upstairs or
Yeah.
cast iron or what?
No. All copper.
Got an oil problem there, see it? See the oil? Probably a blocked filter or something. That would do it. Yeah, it was spitting.
Yep.
No good. Alright, let me get a filter. We'll start with that. It's kind of wet down here. I mean, is it always wet like this? Yeah?
During the rainy season, yeah. Dries out in the summer, but we have always gotten water here. I've been here 20 years. It's always like this.
Yeah, maybe the filter could be a bad pump filter, but could just be air in the line.
Say it's been a couple of years.
You gotta get a flow of oil. If you don't have a good flow of oil, I mean, it's gonna trip out.
Oh yeah. No doubt.
Yeah, your boss, he's always late paying me, that sucker. I mean, always.
He always expects you to send another bill, that's why. The one I hand him, I said, that's the bill.
Yeah, I give him the flip and slip. I mean, really?
Right. He goes, oh, I was waiting for him to send me a bill. No, that's the bill that I gave you.
Yeah, it don't look too bad, guy. Yeah, that is the bill. I mean, I don't get it. Unless it's blocked. No, maybe it's the pump filter's dirty. We'll put a new filter in on here.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna open.
Could be a bad pump. Could be a bad pump too. Your expansion tank's a problem there.
Yeah.
I mean, I have to change that. It's blowing the flipping relief valve.
Why is that building pressure like that, Steve?
When I came here, I checked the feeder, see if it was stuck,
Yeah.
and it must have been close to being up to, you know, when it runs, it builds up pressure. And then the relief valve will blow. If it don't expand in the tank, it's going to build pressure somewhere, right?
Right.
I'm going to check the pump filter before we do anything, before I turn this back on. But I should be able to turn it on here and shut it off at the Firematic at the tank, you know?
Right.
Could be this line's blocked, but probably not. Probably just a... Well, I could blow it out if I have to. I have to.
Better not be, that's the filter's job. Make sure that line doesn't get blocked.
Yeah, they still get blocked though. It just, things happen, you know. Things happen.
Yeah. Always. Wife gets up this morning, she says, hey, no hot water. I said, what do you mean no hot water? We had hot water yesterday. Come down here, hit the reset.
So you hit the reset and it tripped out again.
Yeah. I could smell the oil out of that. I think it works.
Hopefully it's not all full of black soot. I mean, I gotta be somewhere about 5:15 today. I can't be here all flipping. We'll have to see. Hopefully get this thing done.
See, like I said, we got heat, so I'm not too worried about it. Got the pellets, so.
She's not gonna be too happy about it. No, see, I'll get it done. I'll get it started. Hopefully, if it's all full of soot, though.
Steve, she's got yelling at me. I just call you, put her on the phone with you.
You call her what?
I said, she started yelling at me. I'll just call you, put her on the phone with you. You're used to getting yelled at, right?
Yeah, kinda.
Yeah.
Well, the filter looks fine. It's probably just air in there. I mean, the filter looks fine. So maybe there's just air in the line. Be that start of a bad pump. We'll try it. We'll try starting it and bleed it and see what we can do. You got a pellet stove, you said?
Yeah,
You like that?
love it.
Really?
No more gouging on oil. I'm lucky if I get 2 fills a year.
So you run pellets all the time then?
Oh yeah. From October to, I'm still burning.
Open this up, see if we're getting a flow here. But there's just air in there,
Yeah.
most likely. Could be a block line. Because we should be getting oil. It said quarter tank, right?
Yeah.
See, I think we've got a block line there. See it? Because that's open, I should be getting oil out of there.
Did you open the one at the tank?
Yeah.
You opened both of them then?
Yep, they're open. A block line there. Yeah, that there's air in the blocked oil line. Let's see if we get a flow through it. How long have you been married for?
Oh God. 12 years?
You made it past the 7-year mark, huh?
Yeah, exactly. She's good. We get along great.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah. Get along great.
I'm okay, the wheels are long.
Sounds like me.
I think that oil line's blocked. I think that's what the issue is.
Don't say that, Steve.
We'll find out. I can fix it. We'll find out. The air in it. See the air that was in there? See the air that was in there, Steve? There we go. Did you run out of oil? Did you run out of oil?
You can turn up this. You can afford the tank.
No, you might have ran out. There it comes now. That's definitely what it was. There was air in the line.
And from that filter then. Oil till we get air, right?
Huh?
Oil till we get air. Well, like you say, we ran out, but I know we still got a quarter per tank there. That's the first thing I checked. I said, shit, but I know I just checked it a couple of weeks ago and it was just under half, so.
Unless there was a blockage on that filter and it, you know,
Right, that's what I'm saying.
sucking air in.
Right, only takes a little bit, that's it, you lose your prime.
Might as well check the filter while I'm here.
And like I say, I knew it had been a couple of years since we had it cleaned too, so.
Yeah, Hogan was a decent guy. He retired though, huh?
Yeah, Jack, he's all done.
His daughter took over or something.
Right, Melissa.
I don't know, I don't never met her.
Her and Timmy, the brother.
Oh,
been
the
out
brother
of
and
jail.
sister team.
Yeah. Matter of fact, they told me, all 3 of us cut that oil tank down. That used to be outside.
Yeah, you're better off with it in here.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, look at the carbon on the head. I wonder what they're running. Yeah, they're running a 45, but see the carbon?
Yeah.
I mean. Well, like you say, it's been a couple of years, right?
Yeah, the tag's right up there. August of 2015. So it's going on 3. 2.5 years.
Keep running it till it dies, huh?
Well, like I say, I mean, we don't really use it for heat, so it's basically just for hot water. So you don't really think about it too much, you know?
You know how to change the expansion tank, or do you want me to do it?
Well, you got one with you too, right?
I should have one in the truck, yeah. Now, what do they do about the school lunches? Do they bring the food in?
Yeah, in the summer. Summertime they bring it in.
What do they do with all the scraps?
Some of them get thrown away, some of them get taken home. What they'll do with the last couple of lunches, if they see they got so much, they'll just give it out. They'll tell the kids, go on in for seconds or whatever, and
They'll get rid of it.
yeah. And a lot of kids wait for it now. They won't even buy lunch. They'll come in knowing that there'll be extras.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's smart like that. Yeah, they're getting bigger and bigger over there.
It's an 80 degree, which is not good. There should be a 45 degree. They put the wrong angle in there. You gotta have a 45 degree angle with this head. That's why it's all carboned up.
What are they doing to me here, Steve?
They might not know. They might not know. Your run's better with either a 60 or a 45.
45.
Yeah, that's a 45 is even better. Might not know, I don't know.
It was the daughter the last time that cleaned it. Wasn't Jack.
Yeah, how old is she? I mean, she's gonna be 30 something.
Yeah, she's in her early 30s.
Early 30s.
I know she was in her late 20s when we did the tank. Yeah, Jack's a good chip, but he says, I've had enough. So I'm handing it down to the kids.
Is that what he said?
Yeah.
Yeah, good for him. I mean, he worked hard enough for
Yeah.
life, I mean.
Yeah, well, he was 65 then, so he's got to be about 66, 67.
I guess you can't work forever.
Right.
Should fire right up now. It's gonna smoke a little bit because you hit that reset, you know, and it's.
Get all that.
We'll burn it off and then we'll check it. A bad tank here. Alright, let me get my other tools and we'll change it out. She's full. Alright, so we got a new tank, new pipe vent, and new relief valve. So they added this on, basically.
Yeah. I think that back part was the original. Just one little one-room shack.
That's it. That's the Hershey's squirts.
Yes, it is.
That's what they call a split loop.
Split loop, huh?
Yeah. It's coming back 1 inch right here, and it's got 2 3/4 coming back. So in other words, it feeds 1 inch, right, all the way to the front of the house, and then it splits half and half. So in other words, it's a lot better that way because you're getting hot water equally to both sides of the house. And the shotgun system, it goes through one radiator, then it goes through the other radiator, all the way around the house.
That's cool.
So what could happen is the end radiator, that room doesn't get as warm.
Right.
With a split loop, you go down the middle and both come back at the same time.
off.
Yeah, that's a better setup. That's what you got here. So
How many more years you think I got out of this boiler, Steve?
not many.
Not many.
Well, it's all rusted out, guys.
Yeah.
How many more years? Look at it, it's all rusted. We'll see, one day at a time, right?
Right.
So since we've changed that filter, we're getting a good oil flow here now, so we should be all right.
Should be good.
We're getting a good oil flow now. You know, I didn't bleed that filter over there, so that's probably why there was a lot of air in there. But see, I was spittering and sputtering before I did all that.
Right before you even
It
started.
could have been the filter. So as soon as this purge, all the air gets out, we'll be ready to go. Kind of weird the way they did this, huh? I mean, that's not really that far, that deep in the ground.
I know.
That's like what, a center beam type of thing, huh?
Yeah.
I mean, it's not even down 4 feet, is it?
It looks freaking weird.
Yeah, it's right on a... Oh, there must have been an old foundation there or something.
One of the first ones on the street. And they just added on. This front half is from '64.
Ain't no Taj Mahal, huh?
It's no Taj Mahal at all, Steve. Cannot afford a Taj Mahal. It's a little place in the woods I like to call home.
There you go.
That's it. Nothing fancy.
Alright, blend air from oil line, new filter, new expansion tank, relief valve, and high vent. Purge the zones, so it should be good. And I'll put a cap on there. That's it.